y'all, welcome to Dolce Cosmetic Designs. I am Patina Dolce, and what I'm about to do today is do a contact lens review. Haven't done one in a while, time for another one. So, if y'all remember that Unicorn Eye one, the honey one, I don't think it's Fresh Lady, but that, the ocean honey or whatever that was, look at it. Because it was one pair honey that I got. I'll show the picture of what it's supposed to look like.
The picture look pretty, don't it? It looks great.
I got them as a free pair. And before I even get started, just know, ma'am, I'm going to show you. They look more red than like a honey. But I'm going to put it in there just so you know. That's more red. And honey, no, ma'am. This is not what you want. So, look at the picture.
Yeah, look, it just not blended like that. It don't look like that. Like, what is she looking at? Cause look at her eyes, looking like a Christmas ornament. The red and the green. Y'all, unless I'm tripping, like it's really got good reviews, but I don't see how. Cause look at that. It don't look like the picture. He's sitting there looking like Freddy Krueger to prove it. Where I say it look like Halloween. Y'all, come on, man. I'm sorry. It looks like red and an abrupt green limbal ring. It's not smooth and it don't look like honey. I guess it grows on you far away. You know, it can kind of pass or look a little bit like it, but definitely not up close. So yeah, if you're curious to see that review, then go ahead and click this video.
Right, no, that wasn't it. That wasn't it. And so I got this a while and I've been holding it because I did kind of pay a pretty penny for it. But I got a Luminous one and it is called Latin Brown. It is a 12-month lens. And on the website, it says it's a 14.3 millimeter diameter. But on the packaging, it says it's a 14.3. It's not like the tightest, but you know, it'll be fine. And it says no limbal ring, but it looks like the shading has like a hint of a limbal ring. But I just really, you know how I have brown contacts, but they're more of a cool brown.
And you can click this link if you want to check out the review of that oral brown, as well as more information about diameters, limbal rings, and all that stuff that I touched on.
And I really, really, really want like a warm, almost honey brown contact lens. So that is the goal. So we're going to see how this look, because I didn't really see any reviews out there, even for African American skin, or two. It's not that many. I don't even think I saw any black people in these. So, but I hope they look cute, y'all. I hope it look cute. I got my little brown dress on. You don't see how I look with this hair. Yes. So stay tuned. I already washed my hands, and I have this Opti-Free Puremoist Hydro Guard. So it looks like this when you pull it out. And it comes with the contact lens case, which is cute. And it costs them like $45. The least they can do is leave it. Alright, so that's the bottom. Let's see if you can see it in the bottom. That's how it looks like in the bottle. It's a lighter brown. Let's try them on. That's how it looks outside of the case. Here we go. That's it. I think that's it, y'all. Because most of my other contacts, they be like a cooler brown. Oh, yeah. It's giving, honey. That's why I put this dress on. I want to see. Oh, yeah. What do y'all think? I'll let you see like what it looks like without the contact in. and with side by side, just so you can get a comparison of just how drastic the change is. Oh yeah, I like this. I'm gonna let you see how it looks inside and then outside later. Just like I did last time, I'm doing the same thing. All right, we're gonna go right here and test it out. So this is how it looks without and with. It actually feels comfortable. And so I'm just moving my eyes around so you can get an idea of the fit. And you can see how it shifts onto the whites of my eyes a little bit. And that has something to do with the diameter. And the closer to 14.0, the tighter the lens will be. And then it gets a little bit more exaggerated, you know, as it goes wider. It doesn't obstruct your vision or anything like that. But if you are a stickler for that, I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of the fit. And the video is slowed down so that you can kind of see it more. But, you know, in real life, you don't see it as much as that. And it just quickly shifts back into place. And it just depends more so if you have small eyes or not, too. I like it. Now I'm going to take y'all outside to see. All right. Let's see how it looks outside. So this is without and with. It's not as bright, but it is warmer. And it's not a lot of sun out right now. Now, I definitely wanted to just see how it looks side by side. This is the new one that I have from Luminous, the Latin Brown, and this is that Ocean Honey from, I think it was Fresh Lady or Unico Eye, wherever. And you see how much, yeah, that's why it looked almost red, orange. It was just wow. So you definitely get what you pay for, with, especially with certain things, but yeah. And I'm going to actually put them on my eyes side by side so you can see too. Because this one I definitely paid more for. And I can tell it definitely looks a lot better. And I can vouch for the Luminous brand because my first pair I bought in 2018, the Luminous Lazard. And the Luminous Core in Lazard. And it was my first time even trying to get into reviewing. So I did it on IG. I can tell that this one is a little more sophisticated in terms of the shading of it. Because it looks green, then it got a little of the blue around the Limbal Ring, the outer edge. And the color is a little more saturated. And it'll be cute for fun. I want some color. I got it because I thought it was a different kind of mixture of color. So I can dig it. And so yeah, that was bright for me, but it actually was really pretty. So that's a combination of some of the looks I did with that. And my second pair of Luminous one was 2019. I got the Naturel La Hazel one. I didn't do a formal review of those specifically, but you can see them in this look right here. And they're really gorgeous. And so definitely, if you also want to get into doing, you know, the cute holiday look in the video that was, then check that video out as well. So yeah, these Latin Browns, I'm on my third pair of Luminous brand, and they definitely are better quality. But I just want to see, out of curiosity, how they look side by side, you know, from take the time and do this review. All right, y'all, here we go. Here we go. You see? It's like, yeah, it's a little warmer, but it was almost looking red. And like I said before, at a distance, it doesn't look bad. But up close, it just look almost Christmassy, child. I don't know, it wasn't given for me. But I'm just gonna see out of curiosity. Definitely like my newer one. Then we're gonna see how it look outside. Yeah, this one definitely looks better than this one.
So yeah, definitely. I wanted something warmer, but that's still giving more red. And so yeah, that ocean honey is still a no-go. Latin brown, yeah, definitely better.
Okay, there's another one. This is my Latin brown, and this is my trusty oral brown that I use all the time. Now looking at them side by side, they look awfully close, y'all. Ooh. I'm finna put it side by side and hope it make a difference, y'all. It better look different. Looking at them side by side, I'm kind of disappointed because it's almost looking the same. We about to see in a minute. I guess I can see a difference. So this is the Latin brown that I have in from Luminous and from oh my gosh, these people, My Lens. This is the oral brown, which is one of my favorites, and I could tell it is more cooler than this one. It's very subtle, but I could tell the difference. Because at first I was gonna be upset because I think this one 30 and this one 45. But I looked on the site recently. When I bought it, it was 45. It's been a while. That now this is 35 versus 30. But this one is cool. This one is more in comparison.
So y'all look at it and tell me what you think. If you think it's warm enough, a difference enough. I can see some differences. And during the video, I really wanted to be satisfied with it. But in hindsight, I don't know if it's different enough. But y'all let me know.
Ever so slight. Latin brown and the oral brown. There's a little sun coming out for us, y'all. Yes, a little sun. Please. This is the Latin brown right here in the sunlight. And this is the oral brown. So yeah, that's the cooler tone one that I wear all the time. So this one does give slightly more honey than that one. Glad the sun came on that so we can see. Yes. Alright, and this is how it looks with both Latin browns in. It's cute, y'all. This wig, though, this wig is tired. I could have did better. But it's working, though, with the color of the hair. Yes, it's giving the warm honey that I wanted. Ooh, it's cute, y'all. Let me move my eyes around so you can see. So yeah, it's not a 14.2 diameter, it's a 14.3. So there is a discrepancy on the website versus the packaging, but it's still cute. It's not too doll-eye looking, but definitely not like, you know, it's gonna be a little wider for sure. I can see it up there on my whites of my eye a little bit. Gotta take it outside.
So like I said, I'm trying to get a honey brown. So tell me if you think it's close enough or is it still too cool?
Oh, it's cute. It's cute. I think it's a success. Alright, y'all. Well, that concludes the contact lens review. It is cute, y'all. Ooh, yes. I like it. Is a warmer brown. Yeah, I got a little disappointed when I put it right next to the oral brown. I'm glad I did, but it is not just ridiculous. Like, because we got to think about it. I do have dark brown eyes. So I'm assuming that if your eyes are a little lighter, that it will look brighter. But I think given for dark brown eyes, this will work. If you want a warm honey and it doesn't just look so pixelated. Only thing is you can't see on the whites at the top, but it's not terrible. It's it's doable. You know, it's doable. So I like it. I'm happy. So anyways, thank you for watching the Dolce Cosmetic Designs. Make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Bye.